Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video I will teach you how to create a colorful text effect in Canva. Just like the other videos where I showed you how to create a gradient text design is similar to that. So how do we do it? First, we just go to your Canva homepage and press create. Then you can select any file format you want. For me, it may be a YouTube thumbnail or whatsoever. Once you're in the blank page, you just go to applications and search for type gradient. But before most, we can just put a picture first. Let's say city of Japan, night, elements, night, Tokyo. So maybe we can put this one, or maybe just a good picture and put it out here. And here we can go to app, then type gradient. So here we can see all the gradient designs. So we can just reset it first, the gradient positions. You can either select which gradient or colorful designs you want, and you can edit any color in the rainbow spectrum from violet, yellow, green, orange, blue, indigo, or whatsoever. And once we edit it, I will choose maybe something more colorful. Maybe I want the midnight sun, or what would blend more. So maybe this one. So there we go. Let's go to Japan, then press add to design. What we want to blend that with the image, so we can make the image a bit darker here. There we go. Let's say this one, and you want to blend it with the image, or maybe a black and a white Japan would do. Think the wire. There we go. So that blends more. So we can just add some effects here, which is echo and glow. So here's our finished product of the colorful text that we want. So once again, that's how you edit a colorful text here in Canva. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks to come.